daily acid. You will not get much picture or anything. Once you will follow, it will be on the scale, it will be high. So we will make some slits, holes on the
here and we'll place it here, graft it in the front. Okay?
Yeah.
So what we are doing is, you see the marking here. So we are going to transplant, do a hair transplant in this region. Right? The same places. Yeah. Okay, right.
Suddenly I start having hair fall, so I want to know what has that to do suddenly. Maybe it's because of the vitamins, maybe it's because of something else. So I told him to check this for me first, to know what's. I can have the hair transplantation, but I have to know where it's coming from. So we have to start with that.
So in this procedure, we are doing only augmentation in the anterior part. There anyways you don't have. The hairline, for some patient it will be the different position. For you, you have a broad, the forehead is very broad. For that, we are reducing your forehead size by doing a hair transplant. General hair fall, we are not addressing. By doing this procedure, what you say that you have a hair fall, that will not be addressed.
I get it.
Okay.
But we have to know, I will do that, but I have to know where is that coming from. So we have to start some tests.
That you have to consult a dermatologist. So yeah, for regarding your hair fall, or whether you have any deficiency of any vitamin or anything, so you have to consult a dermatologist.
It's
So that,
doctor.
yes. So in this procedure, you're reducing forehead size by doing an hair transplant in the frontal region. So hair will start growing from there, so that your height of your forehead will be reduced. So now we have the forehead visibility is more, the very broad forehead.
Yeah, that I got. But at the moment that we're gonna plant it, and
Yes.
they're gonna fall again because
No.
we don't know.
No, it's not.
Because we don't know why suddenly starting that I have a lot of hair fall.
Hair fall, you don't have any hair fall here. No, there is no hair only for you to be fall.
I had a lot of hair. Look.
No, this part I'm saying. See, this part I'm saying. There is no hair there.
Now not more.
Yeah, now we are. No, it can't be like that. It's happening. So the best person for that will be a dermatologist.
I got it.
Okay. So today we are doing hair transplant in the forehead.
It's 2 centimeters.
Okay, just after I will mark. Then this.
Little more down. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm saying this line you're saying down.
Yeah.
So that is
It's just
very low.
It's just about 3 millimeters. I see.
No, it is even 5 millimeters.
I think I'm okay with it.
Patient here, we are going to start a hair transplant for today. So as you see here, she has a very broad forehead length is increased, and she has a very receding anterior hairline. So what we are doing is, you see the marking here. So we are going to do a hair transplant in this region. So we are following follicular unit extraction technique. We harvest the grafts from occipital region and harvest in this region, so that her forehead show will be reduced, and she'll get a aesthetic hairline. Thank you.
I'll show you.
After pressing it, right? The same places. Yeah. When this will grow, the time it will be covered.
How many girth is that? Did you put?
You are saying about the root. Root means it's follicles. Follicles means you have more.
We've harvested. In the 1012, some grass follicles will have 2 or 3.
That's enough.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.